What's going on, everybody? We got another package from Amazon, so we're gonna do another unboxing. So this is a pretty cool product. I'm really excited to try this one. So let's get it open up. This is a, let's just open it up. This is a knuckle guard for boxing. So I bought a heavy bag over the weekend and I was doing some rounds on it and my hands got pretty messed up. I don't know if you can see. Got all cut. I had them wrapped, I had gloves on, but I don't know, I think I was just going a little too hard. So I went to Amazon and I started looking for some type of pads that you could wear underneath the wraps, and so this is what I found. This product looks pretty good. Just comes in a poly bag, nothing really else on here. And then inside comes with the bag. They got a little logo on the back. BOXRAW is the brand. And so these are the products. So basically, your hand goes in here. This attaches to your wraps, and then you got extra protection on your knuckles for when you're wailing on the heavy bag. So anyway, I'm super excited to try these out. I'm gonna go down and do a couple rounds on the heavy bag pretty much when I finish these videos. But yeah, close up look at the product. It's pretty much just this kind of pad that you put your hand in, attach it to your gloves, and it seems pretty good. The material feels nice. It's nice on the inside. The padding feels like a nice kind of gel pad. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying these. So let's jump over to Amazon and we'll take a look at the listing. All right, so here we are on Amazon, and let's do a quick search for the keyword that I used to find this product. So boxing knuckle guards. So there's not a ton of results for this product, which I think means it's a pretty small market. There's only 100 results here. So no sponsored brand headline ad, no ads from the company that I bought from in general. And, you know, I'm looking through these products and you see a lot of stuff like this. I didn't really want something like that. It looks a little skimpy and maybe not so protective. So I keep scrolling down and I find this one. This is the one that I ended up buying, the BOXRAW knuckle guard. So they don't have a lot of reviews, but the ratings are pretty good, 4.7. They're kind of expensive compared to some of these other options here. But the way that they just looked more like something that I wanted. So I got the click probably because of this main image. You can kind of see how these work into your wraps that you have. So let's go to the listing and take a look at what's going on here. So the first thing is the title, BOXRAW knuckle guard, knuckle protection for boxing, MMA, kickboxing, injury prevention. So the title is a little short on characters. They could probably add some more keywords in here, like pads. One of the other keywords I was looking at was boxing knuckle pads, and this is giving a lot of similar results. So they might want to look at some keyword research and incorporate some more keywords into their title and build it out a little bit stronger. Next we go to the bullet points. The bullet points are pretty good. I've read through them already. They're only using 4 out of 5, so I would recommend probably adding a 5th bullet point here. And in terms of advertising, again, they're not capturing the spot on their detail page. They're letting somebody else come in here. They're letting this other company come in here. It's totally unrelated products. They're probably not going to lose too much to these guys. If somebody's looking for a knuckle guard or knuckle pads, you know, it's good to do complementary products. They might need something else, but anyway, they should be protecting their listing with other products that they have. I'm pretty sure they have wraps as well, so they can get those ad placements there. So that's kind of what we have above the fold. And we look at the photos here. They have really good product photography. They're showing the product, good clean angles, different angles, so that you can, you know, get good idea of what the product looks like, and then the bag that comes with it. But obviously, there's a lot missing here, right? There's a lot of room for improvement here. We don't have any actual models up in the gallery photos. We don't have any call outs or infographics or anything like that. So maybe something here they could add how it attaches to the wraps that you already have. maybe some stuff about the type of material that's in the padding. They talk about the Japanese exported foam cushioning. Um, so there's a lot that they can do with infographics and just enhancing this product photography that they have, and then also incorporating the models, which I know they have because it's down in the A plus content. So let's go look at the A plus content and we'll go from there. So again, um, not taking up really any of the ad spaces on their listing. They got a lot of other guys coming in here. Not actually even sure. This doesn't say sponsored anywhere, so this might not even be advertising. But regardless, you scroll down and you got the A plus content, so we know that they're brand registered. There's no brand story. I would recommend obviously adding a brand story and linking up to your storefront, talking a little bit about the history of the brand, and cross promoting the other products in the line. Now, in this picture, obviously they got somebody putting them on, which is really good. This one was somebody wearing it and some infographic style stuff. Same with this one, attached to any strap. And then some reviews. I'm not sure if you can get away with that these days. If you tried to update it, you might get flagged. And then they have an actual boxer here, a pro boxer, a pro boxer. This guy Ashton, and he's wearing the pads on his hands, and it looks pretty cool. So clean black and white. I like black and white. If you can see behind me, my whole place is black and white. So I like clean and simple. So to me, this looks good. So what I would probably do, obviously add the comparison chart. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 modules in here that can go up to 7. But really what I would do is make premium A plus content. And what I would do is feature this video here. So this video is up in the gallery as well. And this is one of the main reasons I actually bought the product, because you can see exactly how to use it. This guy shows you how to wrap with them. And it's just a really good video. So let's take a look at that video. It's a little long, so I'm not going to play the whole thing, but let's open this up and take a look. So again, not going to watch the whole video, but really good how-to video, how to use type video that shows, exactly how to connect it to your straps, and then even a step further, how to actually wrap. Because there's a lot of different techniques for wrapping your hands for different types of protection and stuff like that. And this product really simplifies the hand wrapping process, which is, if you're new, it's pretty difficult to follow. These wraps are like 4 meters long. They're pretty long. And so it's kind of a process, and there's definitely a learning curve here. And this product definitely simplifies the hand wrapping process. And I think the product feels pretty good. So I think it will actually provide the right amount of protection, that I was looking for. So again, we'll jump over and look at the listing on the mobile platform as well. And then we'll wrap it up with some final comments. So let's jump over to the mobile platform and we'll go from there. All right, so here we are on the mobile platform. We're going to just do a search for boxing knuckle guards again. All right, it looks like on mobile we do have a headline ad. We didn't see a headline ad on the desktop search, but looks like we have one here. A couple sponsored products. The rest of these products that I didn't really like the looks of. There's a video ad too, which I didn't notice actually on the desktop. And then we go down and down, and we see our product right here from BOXRAW. So let's go over to the listing. Again, the title can use some improvement. There's definitely more keywords that can be incorporated in there. The main image is really good. Again, the infographics and lifestyle photos should probably be added, but the video does a really good job and is a really good how-to video. So that's pretty good. They got the prime, obviously. And again, the bullet points, there's only 4 of them, which not the end of the world, but they could probably, add a 5th bullet point there and incorporate some more keywords and create some better indexing as well. So let's keep going down. Again, no sponsored products for them on their own listing coming up on the mobile platform either. Let me get down to the A+ content. So again, we've only got the 5 modules instead of 7, but we do have some infographics and callouts. You can see on the phone, they're a little bit small. So like I said, I would recommend upgrading to premium A+ content, adding that video, and then also adding a comparison chart down below. So we'll see how the product goes. It feels pretty good. I'm thinking that it will be a good product. It's going to protect my hands nice and good. I guess time will tell. But as far as the listing and the analysis and everything else, they can definitely benefit from some optimization to the product title, adding that bullet point, running some advertising, doing some sponsored products at a minimum. They do have brand registry. We know that because they have the A+ content. So they can run some headline ads. They can do display ads, protect their listing with those, cross-promote their other products, and then upgrade to the premium A+ content. Oh, the other thing too is creating the brand story. No brand story. They should definitely have a brand story. But the premium A+ content should probably include that video, in my opinion. So you have it in both places there, up in the gallery and also in the premium A+ content, and then just that comparison chart, somewhere in the A+ content. It doesn't have to be at the bottom. We usually like to put them at the bottom, but you could put it at the top. Somewhere in the middle is just maybe a little bit weird, but top or bottom, I would say. We usually do bottom, like I said. So anyway, if you're BOXRAW and you see this and you're looking for some help with your Amazon store, hit us up. We can schedule a call. Give you some ideas, maybe get some ideas just from this video alone. And if you're interested in the product and you found the video for that, thanks for watching. And again, if you want to buy the product, we do have an Amazon affiliate or associate link down in the description below. So you can click that link and you can find the product nice and easy from the description of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.